For all the times that you've been on my parade,
and all the clubs you got using my name.
You think you broke my heart, oh girl, for goodness sake.
You think I'm crying on my own, but I ain't.
And I didn't wanna write a song, cause I didn't want anyone thinking I still care. That song, but you still hit my phone up.
And maybe I'll be moving on, and then I think it should be something I don't wanna
hold back. Baby, you should know that my mama don't like you, she likes everyone. And I'd never like to admit that I was wrong. I've been so caught up in my job, didn't see what's going on. Now I know I'm better sleeping on my own. If you like the way you look that much, then baby you should go and love yourself. And if you think that I'm still holding on to something, you should go and love yourself. You gotta go and get angry at all of my honesty. You know I try, but I don't do too well with apologies. I hope I don't run out of time. Can someone call a referee? 'Cause I just need one more shot at forgiveness. It's too late for you to say sorry, 'cause you're not missing more than just my party. It's too late for you to say sorry.